Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit the control center on PICO for Ultra. To edit it, go to Control Center, then Edit Shortcuts, and it will get you to Settings, and you can click on minus to disable a control, or click on plus to enable a new control. For example, when I disable optimize memory, then when I go to the control center, it's not there. And I can also change the order of these controls by dragging them while holding on these three lines. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.